Welcome back, everyone. This is Jeff. Received my new steps today for the rear of the 2023 Colorado ZR2. I ordered those online, had them sent to the local Chevy dealer in Highland, Illinois, Steve Schmidt. So if you're looking for a vehicle and you're in the local to the area, I would give Steve Schmidt a call or visit their showroom. They've got some pretty interesting vehicles. I believe they've got a couple Hummers out there that they have for sale. The new Hummers, if you haven't seen them, you can visit their website and take a look at those. I should have taken a video of their trucks, but the weather here is pretty bad today, so maybe I'll go over there and give them a call and see if sometime make a video of those. But anyway, like I said, we received the rear steps today for my Colorado, and they're over here in the box. So I picked this up just a few minutes ago. Very quick shipping. I just ordered these 2 days ago, and they called me today. So I was very pleased with how fast that they were in shipping this stuff. So anyway, we'll open the box, see what's in there. So it looks like we have 2 steps in there. Some attaching hardware and the clips, looks like. So I'll go ahead and assemble this and see what's going on here. So yeah, it looks like these hopefully will work. I know there's a difference. There is a front and back, so hopefully I didn't order the wrong ones, but I'm pretty sure I've got the rear ones here. But anyway, I'm going to pull these out of the box and try to install these. According to this label here, this says passenger side right hand, driver side left hand. So it's all looking good so far. Laying on the ground, like I said, they're labeled passenger and driver side, and has a hardware right there. Has some instructions. It says to go online if you want to download the instructions for the manual there. So I don't think that I'm going to download them because I can't imagine this being very difficult. So anyway, like I said, there's the hardware in the bag. We pull the hardware out here and see what we have. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have the right amount of hardware. So I was looking at the other ones that the dealer installed, and it looked like they put the clip nuts here, or however you want to call these, on the sliders over there, rock sliders. So we're going to go over here, and it looks like they kind of just slide on here, line them up with the holes. See if I can get that in there. Just kind of slide them on there. You might have to take something to line them up. But I'm going to go ahead and use 2 hands. I'm going to put the camera down, put these on, and then I'll show you what I've got going on. All right? All right. So I've got the clips on. Let me put the camera there. As you can see, they're right there. That's on the front. And then you can see them here. There's the back. So they should kind of snap in. You might take a little bit of effort to get them in lined up with the holes. Like, they're not the easiest thing to do. But you try to get focus in out of there. You can kind of see it right there. You can see them. So there's 4. And like I said, they're pre-drilled. So other than that, we're going to go ahead and set this down, and I'm going to go ahead and line up the steps and see how they install. I'll grab the step here. This is passenger side. Right here, passenger side. And it goes kind of slip it through here, and it's got these little fingers that kind of catches it, so it holds it in place. So take the fastener here and kind of line it up. I would probably recommend getting them all started. Alright, that was a little bit of a problem. Like I said, it wasn't quite lined up. But it looks like they're all started now. So I'm going to grab me a wrench and see what size that is. The bolt here is a 13 millimeter. So 13 millimeter fits the heads here. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of hold it here. I don't know if there's really any kind of good position. I guess I'm just let it rest here and tighten them up. Snug. Might have to take a wrench just to double check it, but the other side should be the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side at this time. Side right now, let me go ahead and grab the step and hardware, and we'll go ahead and slide those on. Fasteners come from the front. Like I said, you have to line it up. I don't know how good this is lining up. It should go in fairly easy. I mean, so if it starts threading in hard, you don't have it lined up correctly. Those all went in pretty easy. I just got this one in the front yet to do. Alright, got them all started, so that's a good sign. Just got a lot of foam on it from the package. So let's go ahead and snug her up. And then I just took my ratchet and put my 13 millimeter on it just to double check. And nice and tight. I did this on the other side. I didn't show you. I did the same thing over there. All right, it's pretty snug. They feel pretty firm, so they're not moving around. There's no gaps. So looks like they're installed and complete. So anyway, that will conclude this. The other day, if you watched my other video, I had some complaints. There was a couple defects that I had found. The one was for the door here. The seal was not complete. And then the steering wheel had a little bubble behind the right-hand side where your radio controls are. So I took it to the GM dealer today while I was picking the steps up. I showed the service manager. They took pictures. They sent them in. I got word back today that GM will be replacing the steering wheel. They will be giving me a call when it's in so I can schedule an appointment. But anyway, that's where that sits right now. I'll update you once I get the steering wheel. But it's on order. It may be a week or two before they can install it. I don't know how soon it will be. But anyway, thanks for watching my videos. Like I said, we'll have some stuff coming up here in the next few weeks. I have a Ferrari 360 coming in for a service the first of the year. And then I have some other stuff that's possibly coming in, a 458 Ferrari, and maybe another 360. People I've been talking to, so stay tuned for all that stuff. Other than that, we'll keep an eye on this truck. I'm up to 700 miles now, and other than what I explained earlier on the other video, I have no other issues at this point, so hopefully it continues to be that way. I'm really satisfied with the truck. It's been a good truck. I really like it. But anyway, thanks for watching, and catch you next time.